In this video, I'll detail how to unpair Apple Watch and AirPod. So if your AirPod and Apple Watch appear together, and each time you have incoming calls or you have notifications on your Apple Watch, you receive them on your AirPod, you can easily unpair these two devices to receive your Apple Watch notifications on your Apple Watch instead of using the AirPod. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The fastest way or the easiest way you can use to unpair AirPods and Apple Watch is just close the AirPod case without removing the AirPods in it. So you have two AirPods in your AirPod casing. Do not remove any of these AirPods, just close this. And once you close that, if you go to your Apple Watch settings, then under Bluetooth you will see not connected. This is simply because you've closed down the AirPod without removing any AirPods from the casing. Now, another way you can use to unpair AirPods and Apple Watch is simply go to your Apple Watch app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Now, while on the Apple Watch settings page, scroll down and then locate Bluetooth and click on that. Then you should see the name of your AirPods. Then in this case, to unpair your Apple Watch from AirPod, all you just need to do is click on this information icon and then click on forget. Then this will remove this AirPod from this device. Sign into your iCloud account, then scroll down and click on forget. That's it. Then you discover that the AirPods and the Apple Watch are no longer paired together. You see that? So this is how you can easily unpair Apple Watch and AirPod. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.